talk about a special kind of shooting star which we call as a gravestone doji. Now, can I trade on the gravestone? Yes. People say it's a huge bearish. People still do trading on the gravestone doji, but generally I don't trade on the dojis. Doji is what? Any candle which don't have a body, proper body, is called doji. Means for any candle, if open price is equal to close price, that is a doji. Okay, so doji is something we should not worry about more. But here you can see this structure is called gravestone doji. People say it's a huge bearish, and if the wick size is bigger, this indicates there are more bears are there. The indication is huge selling pressure is. But still, after all those things, as per my experience, I generally not take trade on gravestone dozy. Rather, I would love to take trade on the shooting star, because shooting star are more reliable. But still, people can take a trade on the gravestone dozy. Again, what would be the trading rule? Trading rule will be so simple. Here you can see this would be your stop loss, this line above this, and here below this line, open and close, if a new candle opens, you are going to take a trade. Let me quickly show you how the gravestone doji look like in the real market. So this is the live market I'm showing. So I actually taken one trade over here, and generally I not take trade on the gravestone doji, but alone the gravestone I generally not prefer. But apart from that, I would love to take a trade. So here you can see there was a gravestone doji was formed. Okay, but I didn't taken the trade on the gravestone doji. I taken the trade based on this marubozu confirmation along with the gravestone. Okay, so this would be below this line. Here is the gravestone. I am going to enter here. Actually, I had entered here on this candle, and after this I taken my target here. I will tell you. And what would be my stop loss? My stop loss supposed to be here, by actually I didn't taken the stop loss here. Actually, I mainly used combine these two candles. One was the confirmation from Marubozu, one was from the gravestone. So I better went and taken the stop loss here. But still, if you trade on the gravestone, you can take the stop loss here. Okay. So you can see below this gravestone dozy, you can see when the price went. Actually, I mainly traded on this one. Okay, so you can see the price went this much, and here I can see at the bottom I seen a hammer pattern, right? And there is a chances of reversal. So there, actually, after seeing the hammer somewhere here, I exited my trade, and I had taken almost this much of profit, almost 1%, just in few minutes. Before recording this class, actually I was doing some trade. So my trade was successful, and I'm out of the trade now. Again, you can see, if you want, in the bottom you can see there is a dragonfly. You can take an entry over here in this live market, and you are going to get somewhere target around this. Okay, apart from this, you can see three white soldiers are being formed. So this is again a good indication, like 1 2 3 you can consider. But still, you can see there is a gravestone doji, right? No, this is not a gravestone doji, this is a hanging man. I'm going to discuss in the next class anyhow. So this is how you generally people can take a trade on the gravestone dozy, right? So this would be ideally there, that should be their stop loss. Okay, but generally I don't trade on the gravestone alone. I take the trade generally on the marubozu, and apart from some other parameters which I include. Okay, so you should never trade on the gravestone, but still people do. Let us try to see if we can see any gravestone. Gravestone you should try to find in the resistance area or in the supply zone. Okay, so this is one of the supply zone, that's why this gravestone dozy works properly. Otherwise you should not rely on the gravestone dozy. Generally I never rely on any kind of dozis. Okay, many people do trading on the doji, but if you ask me, what do you really trust dozis? No, I generally not trust dozis much. Okay, so coming back to the real slide. Okay, so you can see this is a downtrend, a pullback. Again, this is a kind of confirmation the price will again might go up. Okay, the might go down. Okay, so again we have to see some parameters, and we can, if you can trail your quantity, you can. But here this dozy indicates buyers are not ready to accept the price below this. Okay, again we need to see the confirmation. Market is so much dynamic. You just need to be flexible in the market, not stick with rule if the rules are getting failed. Immediately try to see the newer rules are being applied, newer candles are being formed, and the price might goes down. Okay, so this is all about the gravestone doji. You can practice the gravestone doji as well, but my preference would, do I practice on gravestone? No, I generally not prefer gravestone. So try to find out, you find several places some kind of gravestone, but gravestone generally not work. Like you can see, let me show you this one. Not a perfect gravestone, I can say. This one not a gravestone, it can be classified in hammer. This can be a gravestone, but you can see, uh, this is in sideways. So in sideways market, gravestones are not working well. Any dozies generally not work well in the sideways market, especially. S- So any of the candlestick pattern, if you find in a trend, then it's well and good. Otherwise, they will not work. Like, so I can't see any more here. So they are again a rarest pattern and not much reliable. You can see this is a gravestone doji. See, but you can see the gravestone doji is in sideways market, a kind of sideways. It should be in the upward rally. Then if gravestone forms, the prices will go down. But for this, we don't have the luck. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Practice so much. Okay. If you think the gravestone works for you, you can try. Okay, but for me it never works, and most of the time it gives the wrong results. For me, the thing which more works are shooting stars. So I mostly rely on the shooting star rather than the any doji pattern. Okay, so let's, since it's the part of the course, okay, because it's nothing but the special kind of uh, uh, shooting star. So that's why I have to teach it, but otherwise you should never use this as per my recommendation. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next